What is the benefit of using computer? Answer A. Computers are very fast and can store huge amounts of data. Computers manipulate data in many ways and this manipulation is called answer D. Processing. What is a hybrid computer? Answer C. Resembles both a digital and analog computer. Computer operators. Answer B. Operate the device which input and output data from the computer. The information you put into the computer is called answer C. Data. What is output? Answer D. What the processor gives to the user. A modern electronic computer is a machine that is meant for answer B. Input, storage, manipulation and outputting of data. Analog computer work on the supply of answer B. Electrical pulses but not continuous. Input is modified into output by answer E. CPU. An electronic device that processes data and converts into information is called answer A. Computer. Computer is answer B. Logical function of ALU. ALU stands for answer A. Arithmetic logic unit. Which one of these is not a characteristic or a function of computer? Answer E. Data copy. In an information system, alphanumeric data normally take the form of answer B. Numbers and alphabetical characters. In the IBM PC at what do the words at stand for? Answer B. Advanced technology. Number cruncher is the informal name for answer B. Supercomputer. Input, output and processing device grouped together represent answer D. Computer system. Dash is the process of carrying out commands. Answer D. Executing. A microprocessor is the brain of the computer and is also called answer A. Microchip. Which is the specially designed computers that perform complex calculation extremely rapidly? Answer B. Supercomputers. Meaning of data processing is answer D. Working of computer. Dash represent raw fact whereas dash is data made meaningful. Answer B. Data information. The artificial logic unit performs the following actions. Answer D. Does both calculation and logical comparison. Main memory works in conjunction with dash. Answer C. CPU. The main job of a CPU is to dash. Answer D. Both A and C. All of the logic and mathematical calculations are done by the computer happen is on the answer C. Central processing unit. Dash is the science that attempts to produce machines that display the same type of intelligence that humans do. Answer D. Artificial intelligence AL. A computer with CPU speed of around 100 million instructions per second and with the word length of around 64 bytes is known as answer A, supercomputer. The computer's processor consists of the following parts: answer D, control unit and ALU. A microprocessor is the brain of the computer and is also called an answer A, microchip.